Okay, so welcome back. This is Cryptophil. Sorry you cannot see my face today. My camera is not working. I messed up some of the settings. However, let's go and dive what are the best crypto notes to have today, and I'm going to mention few, so make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video because you don't want to miss any of these amazing crypto notes. Now, all these notes are basically buy and just hold, and as simple as that. That is the most beautiful things in these notes. You don't need any specific software for this one to run them. That's why you just buy them, hold them, and you earn passive income every single day. Now, also, I'm going in Dubai in the next couple of days, so make sure if you want, of course, if you want, we can meet there. I'm going in the next week will be huge crypto conference, 2 of them, and I'm going to go there. If you're there, let me know and we can meet up. Okay, so let's go and let's deep dive about all the crypto tokens, notes. So again, disclaimer, nothing here is financial advice. Do your own research. This is crypto. You can use all your money. This is not financial advice. Okay, one of the hot crypto note right now is basically Navy AI. This is still on sale, only week 2, and I mentioned this just a couple of days ago. I did a full deep dive video. Go and check that video, and you can see what they're doing. So this is for the GPU, okay, so on chain, and basically it's very hot at the moment. But let me tell you what is even more hot about this note. Okay, so just a couple of days ago, okay, I had 3,200 notes, tokens. Okay, so I bought the notes. Okay, I need to scratch my IP and my address. So I bought 5 notes. This is the license number. When you buy, you're going to get them. And here you will see I earned 3,200 in less than 12 hours. Okay, and if I compare that till today, so check this out. So check the date here. Okay, it's 11/4. Okay, so that was yesterday. And check this today. It's 12/4. I have 10,000 notes. Isn't this crazy? Again, license number 414243. Okay, so I earned 10,000 tokens in about less than 2 days. So basically around 36 hours when I'm recording this video, and this is crazy. Okay, this is very crazy. So Navy AI, how you can buy, all the links will be down in the description. Check the video, okay, what I did for all these crypto notes, because you can get more information. You just go buy the license, okay, and you can pay. That's the best stuff. Is by the way, the price went up. It's 0.5005 Ethereum, what is still not expensive, to be honest, still one of the cheapest out there. And we can check the price what is right now, but the best stuff is here. It's 0.05, so it's 176. It was 140 bucks. Okay, but they sold over 1,500 notes. And again, remember, more early you are, more tokens you get to any of them. Okay, it's only 170 bucks, but it's very cheap. You can pay with all this Polygon, Arbitrum, Base, Optimus, so you don't pay any fees. Okay, so also they have Navy AI seed round. It's finished. You can see that here. Check this out. Okay, we are thrilled to announce that Navy AI has successfully closed seed funding. They raised, I think, if I'm not mistaken, $500,000. This milestone marks significant vote confidence from consortium of 100 and plus angel investors and venture capital firms. Isn't that amazing? Over 100. All right, so we'll leave the link down in the description. Go and check them up. Okay, so next one I want to mention is Zap. So Zap note, it's on blast, and these guys sold over 10,000 notes in only 24 hours. The first 24 hours. The price is $1,340. I did full video step by step how you can buy this one. Is it too late? No, because why? Because they only going to have 30,000 notes. Okay, that's the best stuff, and they already sold around 12,000 notes, 11,000 something. Okay, so that's the best stuff. Again, the price will go up because more people buy, more price will go up. Okay, this is on Blast and it's very easy to buy. The fees are extremely cheap. So Blast will be like a CDFI. Okay, like a CDFI on Blast. Okay, they're going to have like a launchpad on Blast. So they have a huge big names behind. Okay, that is extremely popular in the I think it's South Korea. It's most like 80% of the notes are bought, and it's not even bought around Europe and America. Okay, so it's extremely cheap. Go and check the video. It's 1,300. It's not extremely cheap, but I think it's still early. It's 1,340. Okay, so again, I'm trying to spread my risk everywhere. Okay, so and also they have, if you go to their last post, you can see that their mainnet is live. Zap is official live on @Blast mainnet. Okay, launch and invest in the next big project. So basically, you can invest in the next big project what's coming on Blast, and Blast is getting a lot of hype at this moment. Okay, so this one can be very, very beneficial. One of my favorite is the next one. Next one is Galaxy's. Okay, so Galaxy's engine, the price is, what is the price, by the way? I don't even know what's the price. Okay, I'm still earning good amount of tokens. If you buy one engine, you're still going to get around 140 tokens plus minus. It depends how many nodes are sold, and there are 11,000 nodes sold. So just go back to Navy, to the first one, only around 1,500 sold. Okay, here 11,000 sold. Galaxy's 11,000 sold, and the token is not even out yet. The token is coming very, very soon, but they have some kind of, here they have very hot news today, actually, from yesterday or 2 days ago to 10. So 2 days ago, you can go and check them, and all the Medium article, go and read, and you will see for like the value for the token. Okay, so basically they coming to get more use case for the tokens, and that's good because you're going to get rewarded for every member who is using the token, and that's amazing. So Galaxy, just to mention, I did many videos for these guys. Okay, they did NFT before, okay, for Mike Tyson, okay, for Steve Aoki, for NBA NFT Association. They have over 225,000 NFT sold, over 32,000 Ethereum made on secondary market. Okay, that is crazy. We have one of the testimonials are from Chainlink, from Sergey Nazarov, from Nick Johnson, and so on, and that's from ENS, and so on and so on. Is it worth it? I think yes, because you're still getting over 150, around 140, 150 nodes. The price is 1,000, if I'm not mistaken, 1,059 bucks. So it was 777 bucks, went to 999, and now it's 1,059. More nodes are sold, the price will go more up. Again, all the link and the referral codes will be down in the description. If you use my code, I will highly appreciate it. Thank you so much. Okay, one of my top favorites, so this is already out. Okay, this is Delysium. So Delysium, at the moment, you're earning around 20 tokens per day, 18-20 tokens per day. And if you go and check the price of Delysium, okay, AG, it's blow up from like 3 cents to 60 cents. Now it's a little bit on downhill, okay, 30 cents. So you're earning around $6 per day. No, 6 bucks per day. So basically you're earning around $6 per day, and the node cost right now around 2,200 bucks. Okay, so what is not bad at all. Again, you need to get this one as passive income. Delysium is huge and hot. Delysium is very big project, and you will see right here they have live, and I'm going to meet these guys in Dubai actually on Monday. They're going to have, there are 15 and 16 of Dubai on the blockchain live in Dubai. They're going to be a speaker. Okay, this is Yannick Mason. I'm going to have like live interview right there, and this is amazing, right? This is like huge AI. I'm very hyped about this project, what they can bring, and they had a huge game coming, and hopefully will be live 2025. Okay, the video becoming too long, and let's go and see. By the way, oh man, this will be hot. Okay, 8,000 people going to come there. Now, next one I want to mention that 2 more nodes 3. Okay, so this is basically Gilius nodes. So Gilius nodes, they're going to have their own like blockchain and all this stuff. They already sold, this is tier 10, they sold over 15,000 keys. Okay, and the key costs only 0.07 BTC, what is not expensive at all. Let's go and find out. It was much cheaper, but now it's getting more expensive because more people buying, and they have a very hot like updates all the time. Okay, I cannot even keep up. 0.007, that's 495 bucks. This was around 250-300 bucks when I was mentioned, and now it's already 500 bucks. Okay, so make sure make sure you use the link down in the description, and that's about it. And see my videos how you can earn about this one. You can see from the Delysium, you can go there, and you will see that that AlphaNet is officially live. Okay, that was on March 17. That's almost a month ago. That was the last post, as I can see here. Oh no, 1 hour ago. Okay, good, there we go. Delysium notes less than $500. Okay, yeah, you can get a passive income. Join us at the Web3 Dubai Top. Oh, okay, good. I'm going to see them in Dubai. Yes, become bronze sponsor for Web3 Dubai. That is amazing. I didn't even know that. I just read. Wow. Okay, I'm going to meet them definitely there. Wow, for Dubai Web3. Good. Okay, I think that's the same one, so I'm going to go there. I would go smash the like. Okay, good. And next one I want to mention, Vision Node. This one is very interesting because they're a launchpad. Okay, so they have the token out. However, if you buy the node, you can buy the node, use my link, or you can go to their open marketplace. Okay, you can buy some nodes. You're earning tokens. You can use that tokens to get into all these projects earlier, like angel investors, with using that tokens. What you get every single day. Every day you get around 250, 300 bucks. If you compare with the price, around $2, I think, or 3. Now, and everything is sold out ASAP. You know, once they come, I was trying to get into our games, okay, right here, and it was filled in just 3-4 minutes. So if you have the tokens, get in very fast. And also the last one I want to mention, it's Sonorous. Sonorous, it's going with the music. You can make a music basically like in just 5 minutes, even less than 5 minutes. AI music. I did that. Watch my video a couple of weeks ago. And again, the price is around $850 if I'm not mistaken. Okay, I didn't check. Are you still earning tokens? I cannot tell you how many. I think it's around 40-50 tokens right now, and the price of Sonorous went up a lot, but then dropped down a little bit because everything dropped in the last few days. It depends when you watch this video. It's 11 cents. If you're making around 40-45 tokens, you're making around $5 per day, $4.5 per day. What is not bad at all is that's around 100 and something bucks per month. So in just few months, because this price, just imagine, was around 30 cents just not even long ago. There we go. It was around 30 cents, hit 30 cents just 2 weeks ago, a month ago, 4 weeks ago, and now it's just finding some bottom right here, some base. Okay, so if this price go back to this one, what I will, don't be surprised if go with all this AI. Okay, we're talking about you earning 40, so you're earning around $12 per day. That's around 30 days, around 400. So you can ROI in just a couple of months time. Again, nothing here is financial advice. All the links will be down in the description. Love you all. Till the next time. Goodbye.